You can see, if you take a look, you see that light shining through. If you get up in your attic and you see light like that shining through, you can tell that basically there's no drip edge on the house, because that's right where the fascia meets up with the gutter boards, and you shouldn't see light there if there's drip edge installed. Also, what you can see at this house is that the insulation has been knocked out into the soffit line. You would think that was done by a raccoon, but it actually wasn't. It was actually done by the builder. This attic was improperly built. And so it's a problem, but it's good that we're here because we're able to solve the mouse problem that they have existing right now. We're able to solve the attic problem, and we're able to go around and install drip edge. And that's going to fix up all their problems. And it's a good thing they gave us a call, because a lot of companies would come here and just lay out bait traps and poisons, not really look at the attic. This is the type of inspection that you get with our company. We come up here, we check out your attic, we see what's going on. Just to even know that you don't have these problems. Same issue over here. The insulation's all been knocked out and pushed in there. There's no supports for that insulation. Like, you have your baffles built here, which is correct, but then you've got all your insulation's been knocked down. You can see it's all been pushed in over there. It's this is a full restoration job as far as this attic goes. If you want the attic running properly, you know what I mean, what you do. You definitely don't want the attic not running bad. You can also see back here, you can see that little white line there, where you can see light. That means you have no drip edge on your house. So drip edge would have to be installed to solve the mouse problem, because mice can actually squeeze through those areas. You can see how big those gaps are. So that's also a benefit to you too. It also protects your fascia boards and gutter boards. So this is going to be a pretty big job, but we can do it, and we can do it properly. And this house can be functioning properly once we're done. You see the same problem over here. Insulation all inside the perforated soffit. You can see that goes on all around the whole entire house, where you can see light. So this is a big problem. What I think we're going to have to do is install blocks of wood in between each of these to kind of build this up, and then have our install some baffle blockers and bats of insulation. This attic was just built wrong. That's just the best way I can put it to you. Those pieces of wood that are back there, as you can see right there, those are just 6 inches off of where they should be. They should be pulled back. So we'll build them and install them correctly and have it done properly. That's what needs to happen. Whether we do it with plastic, whether we do it with wood, I don't know at this moment in time. And then we'll fix everything up here. Like you can see, this insulation that's been put up there, it shouldn't be there. It should be down here below. So we'll figure it out, and that's where you're standing right now. See the mouse trails and tunnels all throughout here. And you can see that there's been plastic put up here. That plastic used to be poison. That poison's been eaten. And I mean, that's a Band-Aid solution. You're never going to solve the problem with that. You need to step in here and seal the house off and figure out how they're getting in. And that's what I'll be doing on the exterior once I get out there and inspect that.